more spin. Okay, right there. Swing. Hey. You're not supposed to see. Right there. Watch it, Zane. You're going to get hit.
Swing. There you go.
Where is it?
Go ahead. Swing again. There you go.
That was a good hit.
Again. Watch it, Zane. Step back. Come on. Keep on.
I can't see.
You're not supposed to. Just keep trying. Keep swinging your bat. Keep on.
Too high. Too high.
Step up a little bit. There you go. Now.
There you go.
Hit.
There you go. Good job. Come on. Hard.
Stick it on a better branch.
Hard. There you go. Ah. Almost. Let's go. Oh. Oh, careful.
One hand, you're going to spin yourself around again.
There you go. Back up, Zane.
Why are you
Quick
all of a
count.
sudden in charge of the heads?
There you go.
I don't want to hold you.